Hello everyone, to all my friends, allow me to introduce who I am. My name is Senmut Maina. People used to call me Seni. I'm the only child in my family. I was born in Tasikmalaya of January 24, 2004. Currently, I live in Kawalu, Tasikmalaya City. I'm currently studying in my first year of undergraduate education at the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Department of Indonesian Language Education at Siliwangi University, Tasikmalaya. I really like reading and usually I spend my free time reading novels. Apart from that, I'm also interested in graphic design. Currently, I'm trying to make some design for social media, PowerPoint, and so on. My dream is to become an Indonesian flight attendant. I think that's all from me. Nice to meet you all. Thank you.